In recent developments, the Elvish Yadav charge sheet has stirred significant controversy, shedding light on alleged involvement in snake trafficking and illicit drug manufacturing. The charge sheet paints a complex picture of clandestine operations, virtual communication, and exploitation of vulnerable individuals for profit. The investigation revealed startling details regarding the trafficking of snakes for venom extraction, with alleged links to drug production and distribution. According to the charge sheet, the accused, Rahul, purportedly received lethal toxins from Elvish Yadav in liquid form, disguised as innocuous substances, within the Bank Hall of Noida. Communication patterns suggested that Elvish Yadav did not directly interact with Rahul but utilized associates Vinay Yadav and Ishwar Yadav as intermediaries. Virtual communication tools, including virtual numbers, were reportedly employed to facilitate discussions and coordinate activities. Further investigation uncovered a disturbing modus operandi involving the exploitation of foreign youth and women to create videos featuring banned substances and venomous snakes. The extracted venom was allegedly used in the production of narcotics, which were then distributed for recreational use. Vinay Yadav and Ishwar Yadav were implicated in orchestrating rave parties where venomous snakes were exhibited, and the venom was covertly administered to unsuspecting participants. This heinous practice exploited the vulnerability of individuals seeking entertainment and thrills, endangering their lives for financial gain. The charge sheet also implicated Rahul in the procurement and distribution of toxic substances, allegedly sourced from Elvish Yadav. Rahul confessed to his involvement in the illicit activities, citing financial incentives and coercion as motivating factors. The revelation of the Elvish Yadav charge sheet has sent shockwaves through the community, raising questions about the prevalence of organized crime and exploitation in society. The exploitation of wildlife for financial gain, coupled with the proliferation of illicit drugs, highlights the urgent need for stringent enforcement of wildlife protection laws and drug regulations. Furthermore, the charge sheet underscores the role of virtual communication platforms in facilitating criminal activities, emphasizing the importance of cybersecurity measures and law enforcement vigilance in combating online crime. The testimonies of individuals involved in the illicit operations provide insight into the motivations and methods employed by criminal syndicates. The exploitation of poverty-stricken individuals for criminal gain highlights the pervasive influence of greed and corruption in society. In conclusion, the Elvish Yadav charge sheet exposes the dark underbelly of organized crime, shedding light on the insidious practices employed by criminal syndicates for financial gain. The investigation serves as a stark reminder of the importance of upholding the rule of law and protecting vulnerable individuals from exploitation and harm.